Powerful quotes.
Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon Hill. Number 1. You can achieve anything if you truly believe in it. Number 2. Focus on your goal, and things will start working in your favor. Number 3. Winners don't quit, and quitters don't win. Number 4. Struggles help you grow stronger and better. Number 5. Every failure has a hidden opportunity. Number 6. You control your life by the choices you make. Number 7. Your only limit is your own thinking. Number 8. Strong desire is the first step to success. Number 9. Think like a winner to become one. Number 10.